Hello and welcome to this episode of Tech How. My name is Anthony and today I'm going to be showing you how you can make the best out of Office 365 by keeping yourself updated and checking out what's new. In order to find out the latest features that Office 365 provides, if you open up a Microsoft Office app such as Microsoft Excel, open up a previously saved document or a blank document, and what you want to be looking out for is this little announcement logo here, where just underneath the announcement, see what's coming soon. You either have the option to click Show Me or click Not Now if you currently have a busy schedule. However, in this case, we'll click on Show Me. The right-hand reading pane appears, and Office 365 tells you exactly what's coming soon and what's already available to use. At the moment in this pane here, it tells you that there's a new look, and you do have the opportunity to try this new experience out by clicking on this toggle switch here. Once you clicked on it, if you do get a prompt to restart your Office app, click OK, close down Office, and reopen Excel. And as we can see here, the toolbar at the top and the ribbon has now changed. What you'll also find every now and again as well is that Microsoft Office may provide some hints and tips whilst you're in the application itself, just as a side note. So here, for example, it's telling you how you can share and how you can collaborate on a document. If for whatever reason you don't like this look, you can always quickly revert it back by again clicking on this little announcement logo, scrolling down to Try the New Experience, and untoggling the Trying the New Experience, and again restarting Excel in order for that change to take effect. Now, if for whatever reason that announcement logo does not appear in the top right hand corner, you can also get to it by clicking on Help and clicking on What's New, or if you go to File, go to Account and clicking on What's New there. Thank you for joining me in this episode. If you get stuck at any point in this video, feel free to drop us a call on 01724 400 304 or drop us an email to it@hbp-group.co.uk. Or if there's any other issues that we can help you with, again, if you can contact us by telephone or drop us an email and we'd be more than happy to help you. Thank you.